Hey guys, so in my previous video, I have shown you how to make your own email server using Mail in a Box, Cloudflare, and Dartnode. And today, I have been asked if I can add another domain or domains on Mail in a Box. So I'll show you how to do it. So be sure you have your second domain. So I have my second domain webshanks.space and I have connected it to my Cloudflare. And all you have to do is add an MX record first. So we will add an MX record. So we will add the mail exchanger. So this will be and we will use our mail.webshanks.store. So mail.webshanks.store. And we'll set this to it will be 10. And this will be 5 minutes. And just click save. So let's go back to Mail in a Box and we will create first a mail user. So just go to mail users and just click users. Then add your email address and your password and just click add user. Okay, great. So now we have added our second domain. So now we will go to system, go to external DNS and scroll down and look for your second domain. Okay, we have here. So we will add these records. So this will be and we'll just copy the IP address. Okay, disable this. Click save. And okay, for our SPF, let's copy this and add a record. This will be a text record. We will use our root domain, paste the content, and click save. And for our DMARC, okay, we'll copy this, add record, text record, and just copy this one. And click save. Okay, finally our DKIM, we will add another text record. Okay, we'll paste the name and copy everything. Okay, paste. And we'll click save. And now we will wait for a few minutes or an hour maybe, so that we can give time for the DNS to propagate and we will test our server. Okay, so now let's try to open our webmail. Okay, we will log in with our new email domain that will be jade@webshanks.space. And I'll just paste the password and let's log in. Okay, great. Now let's test our email server. Let's go to mail tester. Okay, we'll just copy this recipient and we will compose. Hello, this is a test. And let's send. And let's go to mail tester. Okay, let's check our score. Okay, great. We achieved 10 over 10 for our new email domain. So all good. We are all authenticated and Now we will connect this to our warming tool. Okay, let's go to instructions, and you can use this configuration. So let's go to woodpecker. Okay, let's go to our settings and let's go to domains. Okay, let's go first to accounts, and we will add our new email from our new domain. So we will connect via SMTP IMAP. And okay, let's just copy this quickly. And I'll put the password here. Okay, now we will just set this one later. And we'll click OK. And we'll just click add warm up. Let's say Jade Shanks. And click add warm up. Okay, let's go back and okay, let's click this one. We'll go to warm up and you can set your warm up emails per day here. So we'll just say 10 to start with. So click save changes. And okay, let's go to accounts. And now our warm up is active. So this is how to add multiple domains on mail in a box. And if you want to add more domains, you can just rinse and repeat. And mail in a box allows multiple domains as long as your server is capable of handling those email traffic. And be sure you don't get spammy domains like .loans, .online, .biz, or .xyz, because those emails are or have very, very low deliverability rate. If you want to use this as your personal or for cold email marketing, so this is a useful tutorial and I hope you learned something. So that's it. This is how to add multiple domains on mail in a box. So if you have any questions, ask them on the comment section and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.